Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and native topics. Today we're going to cover Mathematics in 6. The topic of this tutorial is a mixed bag of differentiation questions, version 3. Let's get straight into it. Okay. Our first sum goes the root of cot x e to the x. Sine times cos the root of x plus 1 bracket all to the power 0. Okay. Now, anything to the power 0. Now, anything to the power 0 will be 0, will be 1. Anything to the power 0 will be 1. So that cancels off. So we have root of cot x e to the x. So now, what we need to do is state bracket cot x e to the power x, to the power of a half. Now for this, we are going to use the chain rule. It's an outer-inner rule, if you will remember. Now, this will be a half, so you multiply by a half, then it will be cot x e to the x, a half minus 1. Okay. So this will equal a half cot x e to the x minus a half. Okay. Now we multiply by what's in here. The derivative of what's in here. So the derivative of cot x e to the x is cot x e to the power x multiplied by cosec x e to the power x. Alright, so now all we have to do is say, now we bring this down and we put the root sign back. So 1 over 2, the root of cot x e to the power x multiplied by cot x e to the x multiplied by cosec x e to the x. And that is your final answer. Okay, the next one looks like this. Ln 5x cubed over 2x plus 1 squared plus log base 10 3x squared. Okay. Now, how this works is we do not use the chain and quotient rule in this. We do not use them. What we do use instead is our log laws. Because a log, this ln is a natural log, and that is a proper log. But log to the base 10 is equal to 1. So this would be 3x squared. And it stays 3x squared. So this log 10 disappears. So, and ln is a natural log. And when you're dividing logs, what happens? You minus them. So it is ln times 5x cubed, then 5x cubed minus ln 2x plus 1 squared plus 3x squared. Now what will happen is we will have to, okay, now this will be the chain rule. We will use the chain rule on this. So, the chain rule is an outer inner rule. So, ln is 1 over. So it's 1 over 5x cubed multiplied by the derivative of what's inside. So that is 15x squared, because it's 3 minus 1. So 5 times 3 is 15, and 3 minus 1. So minus ln, which is 1 over 2x plus 1 squared, multiplied by, now this is the outer, so it is 2 times 2x plus 1 multiplied by, the derivative of 2x is 2, plus 3 times 2 is 6x. Okay, so what we have now is 1 over 5x cubed times 15x squared minus 1 over 2x plus 1 squared multiplied by 4 2x plus 1 plus 6x. So what we are left with now what we are left with is we're going to put all these. This one goes above that one goes above that, and that stays there. So we have 15x squared over 5x cubed minus 4 2x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 squared plus 6x. Okay, so what we are doing now is 15 divided by 5 is 3. 2, so 3 is at the bottom, so we got x. So it's just plain old x. Because 2 and that cancels with one of those, and you're left with 1 at the bottom. So, now, minus. This cancels with one of those, and you're left with just that. So it's 4 over 2x plus 1 plus 6x. And that is our sum. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm and to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. I enjoy reading your comments. Please use the comments section to let me know what topics you'd like me to cover in upcoming videos. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.